iOS updates used to feel exciting. Now they feel like damage control, and iOS 27 might be the clearest sign yet that Apple knows it messed up badly. After the disaster of iOS 26, filled with bugs, overheating, battery drain, lag, broken animations, and random glitches, Apple is suddenly acting like stability is a revolutionary feature again. That alone says everything. This time, the biggest story is Siri. For years, Siri felt completely outdated while OpenAI ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Anthropic Claude kept improving every few months. Siri stayed stuck doing alarms, timers, and basic commands while competitors moved into real AI conversations. Now, Apple reportedly wants to rebuild Siri almost from scratch in iOS 27, alongside redesigns for weather, Safari, image playground, and system tab bars. But after years of failed Siri promises, people are not impressed yet. They are skeptical. The strangest rumor is Apple possibly working with Google's Gemini team for some AI features. That is a huge shift for a company obsessed with control. Reports now claim iOS the 27th of May let users choose between outside AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude for features such as writing tools, image playground, and Siri itself. ChatGPT is already integrated in some Apple features, but leaks suggest Gemini and Claude support may arrive through App Store integrations too. Instead of showing confidence in Apple intelligence, it feels like Apple is admitting its own AI is not enough. Apple is also promising a more natural Siri experience. Supposedly, Siri will finally remember context, understand what is happening on screen, and connect actions across apps without forcing users to manually jump between everything. Users may be able to edit photos, create notes, send messages, or plan schedules just by talking normally. Siri could even get its own chatbot-style app where users type or speak naturally, like ChatGPT or Gemini. Sounds impressive, but Apple has made smarter Siri promises for years and rarely delivered properly. Apple Intelligence itself is also expected to expand. Reports say it may understand personal context using messages, reminders, calendars, and recent activity, so Siri can continue tasks without restarting every conversation from zero. Useful, maybe, but it also raises concerns about how much personal information Apple's AI systems will constantly analyze in the background. The apps are getting smarter too, but most of these upgrades feel overdue instead of revolutionary. Photos may finally get AI tools to extend images, reframe shots, remove objects, and improve edits directly inside the app. Health could scan nutrition labels automatically. A calendar may suggest routines and schedules more intelligently. The Shortcuts app might finally allow natural language automation instead of forcing users through complicated manual setups. And unbelievably, Apple may finally add an undo button for home screen edits, something that honestly should have existed years ago. The camera app is also rumored to become customizable for pro users, allowing button layouts and controls to be rearranged again. Useful, but it highlights how restricted the iPhone camera experience has been for years compared to what power users actually wanted. There are even leaks about expanded satellite features for Maps and iMessage. Useful in emergencies, sure, but also another example of Apple stacking marketing features on top of an operating system that still struggles with basic reliability after major launches. iOS 27 is expected to be revealed at the Worldwide Developers Conference 2026 on June 8, 2026, with the final release likely arriving in September alongside the next iPhone lineup. But after the chaos of iOS 26, Apple has a lot more to prove this time. Fancy AI demos mean nothing if the software still feels unstable in daily use. That is everything for now. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.